Let's do this. All right. Well, what's up, guys? No one's probably here right now. It doesn't matter. We're going to try the Pomodoro. I installed this app called Pomodoro or something, but just start the force. All right, so we're good to go. I think we're starting now. I think that's how this works. Pretty sure. Okay. Guess it started. Let's do it. Yeah, there we go. We're started. Okay, cool. All right. So analysis. Of course, we're gonna start with the king, baby. Bitcoin. What is going on in the Bitcoin world? Let's take a look at the daily. Some of the volume we have here. All right. So it looks like we have daily close way above. Out of this triangle. This triangle's now gone. I'll go ahead and keep this other one because it might be a retest back at this channel, and I like to be alerted of it. So we'll go ahead and create this alert. I don't need this bottom one so much. The cool thing about this, I can even hide this so it'll still alert me. So I just opened about a while back. We had this naked point control at 17,285. I think this is on the daily chart. Yeah. It's the Bitcoin daily Excel charts. Let's pull back. Yeah, so here's the discrepancy here. So apparently Excel charts is saying this naked POC at 17,275 has not been tapped yet. So you take a closer look at Bybit on the a little lower time frame. It was front run at 271. Now, why do I feel like this has been hit, though? Well, let me explain something about these naked point controls, guys. So if you aren't using Excel charts, whatever, I'll share this account with you guys. I bought like a 3-year membership on this thing. I don't think there's no way anyone can hack this, but you really need to be aware of these red lines. And I have very easy setup. So all you got to do is literally go to the link that I give you, and you all are welcome to borrow this account here. And so once you go to Excel charts and log in, this screen will pop up. Excuse me, let me show you what it looks like from a normal setting. All right, so once you go to Excel charts, you get here, you put the login, go in, and this is what you're going to see right off the bat. You're going to see a random blank thing. It's not showing now. Oh well, all you got to do is hit the number 1 on your keyboard, and it goes to the monthly. Number 2 goes to the weekly. Number 3 is the daily chart. So what? I misspelled daily. That is so embarrassing. Wow, we're gonna have to rename that. Never caught that. Yep, doing it now. Alright, daily, and we're gonna save that. Alright, so number 3 is for daily. Those are the 3 main time frames you need. 3, and here's the most important one. The number 4 is our order flow. Okay? Now each time you push these numbers, it's gonna take you to the Bitcoin pair. Alright? And if you want to learn this a little more, go ahead. You can use it and ask me questions about it. It's really in depth, but this is just the absolute best way to analyze stuff. So these naked point controls, going back to that. On the daily, Bitcoin has, you got to zoom out to let it load. So I just zoom all the way back out, and I just let it do its thing for a second. So these red lines are point controls that haven't been tapped yet. I'm not speaking of these. It's only ones that are out in the open where price action hasn't interacted. But like these red lines right here, these are point controls for these candles, but they're not naked, meaning they've been tapped. As you can see, price has gone through that level. It's not even, we don't pay attention to those. We call these are the MPOCs. All right. With that said, we still have one up here. So why do I think this is front run though already? It's not a level anymore. It's one that I'm going to take off personally. But I'm going to still set an alert right at my neighbor's home. Wow. Right at 275, just to do it. Set it to the right at 270. There we go. Just to see what happens if price was to get there again. Okay. And why did I delete that? Because people on Bybit, and a lot of people at Chart Champions, my old trading team, and a lot of the best traders in the world are trading these naked pointing controls because 95% of people aren't using this, and so it's really a market maker thing, a high area of resistance or support depending on where they are. So with this ExoCharts app, you guys can literally take these trades based off this one. You know, it's like, so look, we have one up here at 19,650 and so on and so on. But it just takes time on your part to map them out. So this is what we're going to do right now. We're just going to map out what happened recently because I haven't mapped out Bitcoin in a while. I'm going to just start with the monthly chart. Okay, see if we have any support and resistance that I may have missed. I'm not sure if we have or not. So we'll find this out in a second. Okay, we still have a monthly level at the top, so no monthlies. We're going to go to the weekly. Check it out. Well, we have a tapped. I'm going to go ahead and get out of ExoCharts just for now. I'll go back in because it is a laggy thing. Make sure I'm screen recording. Okay. So we don't have any new weekly levels down here. But you know what? I would go ahead and I might label this one out. You guys forgive me for 1 second. I want to do something because this is it's feeling a bit laggy. It is. I want to just yeah, I want to restart this. Just bear with me for just a second. Restart my Brave browser. There we go. See what happens. Try to I really should use app. It's probably more. It's probably better that way. Damn it, we're gonna use the app. We're gonna close this out and use the application. Sorry, guys. Coming in hot. We'll save ExoCharts for the browser. We'll just keep it up on there. ExoCharts, boom. All right, let's get back to it. Sorry. Yeah, this is what you guys are gonna see when you log in. A random. This is not a viable template at all. I mean, all you gotta do is hit the number 1 anywhere, monthly, number 2 for weekly, so on and so on. But yeah, these are high level templates that took me a long time to do. So, getting out of this, back to the charts on the app now. Or were we on Bitcoin? Oops, let me get rid of this right quick. I found out that Serum is no longer traded on Binance or Bybit, so unfortunately I did TA for nothing on it. We're going to go ahead and delete that, this whole list. Sorry. Get shit out of here. Back to my other list. Come on, BTC, where the fuck are you? Okay. Let's go to full screen, get in. Let's get in tight on this. There's no weekly level. We haven't. No new weekly. Let's check out a daily. Okay, we have a daily level to the downside right here. So, I don't know, a little bit of decrease in the volume here. I'm going to hide that though. Let's mark out our level right here at 16,200. What is it, 206? Yeah, we have a daily here. Might be hard for you guys to see that. I apologize. Let's do this so you guys can see. And here we go. Because I haven't really liked, dude, I tend to do that. So daily here, I'm setting an alert right here, just above it. Just so I'm going to be aware we're coming into some support here because I haven't even done TA on this yet, but I'm going to go ahead and just pull a Fibonacci, and I can promise you we probably have a level of support close by locally. And there it is. There's our 6.6 right here. I should redo this as well. Show my, I want you guys to be able to see this all the time. So that's a 6.6. Sorry. Just doing a couple things so everyone can see this because I have it tailored to my cell phone as of late, and it hasn't doesn't optimize for here. So we have a 618 right in between that. That's beautiful confluence there. That's right in the Champions channel. That'll be nice. Definitely gonna be looking at a trade on that where we have this level. It's 206. I have an alert set for 354. That's plenty. Okay. Let's take a little volume profile in this local range to see. Maybe we can find another confluence here. This seems to be the range, right? we have it right there. Another one. Let's see what our going to look a little more is. No, it looks like this is the more of the range right here. Yeah, perfectly. Value area low of this range. That's my next long, you know, and we're taking these longs with our stop losses set, you know. Price is up here right now. Is it a good time to long? You know, you missed it. To be fair, guys, in my opinion, I'm not saying you missed it. We do have a daily level coming up for a short. If we do get to $602, that hasn't been tapped yet, and we're gonna look at resistance at that. So for our long position, we have this level at 254. I'm liking it right there. Hope that's clear on that. So that's our long position. So for a short coming up, let's see what we have here. If we have any kind of volume analysis. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this volume profile range for this, and I hope you guys can get into my mind and see what I'm doing here, because at the end of the day, you know, I'll type it out so everyone can see. Because here's the most important thing right here. We on the long at support. We only short at resistances. Boom, hope it's clear. And so right now, what are we at? Nothing important right now. So we're working along in the middle of this? No. People are expecting to break out. We got to stop them out, okay? So watch this. We're going to take another fib pull. And I want to zoom in. I need to go full screen again. Boom. I'm taking this Fibonacci from this. I'll try from this local high first. Going down to here. Okay, so the 6.6 isn't lining up with that one just yet. Let's see what this is looking like. No. Let's see. What's our 4 hour level like? I just sometimes find it hard that it doesn't always match up on that. So here's our. We just need to go ahead and where do we start this? Right here. To our local low. No, not even close to that one yet. Oh, there. That's about good. That's because it'll get close. I don't even think that's really very close though. And I think that's not confluence to me right there. I don't know. I'm not liking that level. Even though it's untapped. Let's see. That's 70,594. Let's look at the Excel charts on order flow. Let me go to my order flow here. I'm gonna take a look at what we have coming up. All these are really important. Previous day high, daily value area high. The D stands for daily. PD stands for previous day, so on and so on. Just a little crash course on that. So I'm looking at for 17,000. What do we have there? It was, dang, I can't remember what it was. 594. 594, and that's on. See, this is a USDT pair. I need to make sure I come to my top left up here and click on BTC USDT. Okay, this is, you have that same pair going. And of course, you know me, forgot it again, 594. There we go. It ain't showing anything really up there. Not at 594. I wonder if we have anything at on a monthly or daily. And again, once I hit the number 1, this takes me to monthly, but I still have to change it to what do we have right there? Nothing between there. What about the weekly? Just testing the waters out. See, because Excel charts will reveal a lot of levels for us as well, guys. 17. Oh, nothing really there. This is our last shot. I'm going to give up on the trade if that's it. Need to see some more confluences. Back to Bitcoin. I'm just not seeing it, nothing there really, you know? I don't know. It's not a value area high and I mean, it's sort of close. That is, you know, I have a set alert right here. That's it. Let's see. Where do you have one here? I'm going to move this alert up to just the beginning of the CC. And I'm just going to assess this. 3, what is it? Damn it. 398. So just say 400. one time. I like it a long alert. POS, short. Forgot to do that. Forgot to do it here as well. Oops. Bet I forgot to do that too. Yep. Alright. I don't know how much time is left on this Pomodoro. Damn. Who knows? Okay. So. Alright. I'm just going to lock this fib in place right here. And then I'm going to hide it. Best thing to do. Outside, out of mind. I don't like my charts so cluttered personally. Lock. Hide. Okay. So we're on the 4 hour. Now these 4 hour levels, I have really been liking them lately. Look, we have a new one here. Untapped. These 4 hours are really, they're special because a lot of people trade, you know, the 4 hours. So I'm going to just Control C, Control V, copy and paste, and bring it down until we have another one there. I'm just going to keep doing the same thing. Okay, Control C, Control V. We have one here. This is one as well. This is a nice confluence because it's the daily and a 4 hour. So I do this sometimes if I just want to remind myself we have extra confluences. I'll just do that just as a note. So on. So, ooh, and we even have one at this daily down here, untapped. But it's so close by, you know. It's no point in even labeling that as a 4 hour. I mean, we're talking 0.015. So what do I do with this in this instance? I just go into it and I do daily plus 4 hour. I just consider this. That's a dual confluence in my opinion right there. So it's just me, how I trade and what's worked for me. So some nice stuff to the downside personally. But we're looking for the upside. We have untapped 4 hour at this daily and very nice. So another daily and 4 hour. And these levels are so well respected right now, guys. Bybit is, Chart Champions is running Bybit like a motherfucker right now. And if you don't know what Chart Champions is, it's what has changed my life and maybe the trader and the successful trader I am today. These guys have the largest trade team on Bybit right now. And I'm telling you, it's amazing. I get lost in this Bitcoin chart because it's so unreal how well the technicals are lining out for me. It's because all the trading and technical analysis I do is from Chart Champions, and they're the largest trading team on Bybit. So just a little side note there. Loving it. Yeah, so to the upside, we had that level right here. So, but this daily 4 hours, that's two confluences. Let's work our way into this a little bit. See if we and sadly, I can't remember if that was the level. I'm just going to undo for a little bit and see if that setup was for that one. I think it was 594. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, okay, cool. So that is for our setup. I don't need to search for it anymore. To the upside, get rid of that. We have an untapped 4 hour right here. It's hard to see, but if you really want to zoom in, you know, I do this sometimes. When I say untapped, I don't want to wick to it. You see, this wick didn't quite touch it. Kind of hard sometimes to see when it's like that. So I just pull over, roll left, and come back to it. You know, now I can see the wick a lot better. And yep. So another 4 hour and daily level, and we're just gonna put 4D because I'm playing and trading in 4 dimensions, motherfucker. All right, so I don't know why I have an alert set up here already for that. So 18,537. Interesting because I probably likely have a POC. No, not there, but that's noteworthy. 19,647. Okay, let's go to the monthly for a second. And while this is loading, just scroll out. It's kind of intense on your internet, so just let it load for a little while. But while that loads, I'll mark the stake of point control out at, what was it, 19,467. I'll put it at 4. Let's just put 440. Man, I got off topic earlier. I was talking about naked point controls, guys. Sorry, I forgot to mention this. Why it's important? Because everyone's trading this level, so you have to front. Everyone's front running it now. It's been really annoying, to be honest. But the only way you can get it on some of these really nice, quick, like let's say where price action is right now. Let me show you like in real time. Like, swear to God, this is what happens. So let's say our naked point controls were up right here. Just like let's say price action was already right here. Okay, we're going. So everyone, us and chart changes. Some of the best traders are just waiting for this level at 440, 19,440. Well, people get so excited when it comes to about 400. People are front running that shit now because everyone is trying to get this level because it's good. A lot of times what it does is just a little boom. It's a quick downward. It's a nice 3%, 2%. Drop sometimes, and a lot of people will use high leverage and make bags off it. But it's really annoying now that a lot of people don't know about it so much. But yeah, you can't change it. So, but for this 18,556 level, there's something to be said about that one. And so I think that if we analyze this, well, now I'm about to go to the 2-day chart. It's a weird chart because just who does the 2-day? Not a lot of people. Someone's calling me. I'm not picking that up. Okay, so I just want to show something right quick here. And by the way, guys, I've been in log mode this entire time. I'll go into non-log lower time frames, but don't get your pants down. Not charting out on log mode on high time frames. Don't do it. So here's a 2-hour level. But I need to do something real quick. I need to take all these horizontals I just did, and I need to save them and mark them up because I don't want to current horizontal levels. Take these as well. Oops. What the hell? Come on. Got it. These. Throw them in here. Okay, and we just need to lock it in place. Boop, boop. Wait, did I do the right one? Not sure. Oh, I think I missed putting them in the folder. And there we go. Sorry about that. It's just, you gotta be organized as you can. Lock. Any more? Did I miss these? I don't even use this anymore. My apologies. This is the only way I can do this and stay relevant in the space. And yeah, let's see. Delete these. All right, guys. Sorry about that. I'll just hide these two. Really, make a group with that. But all right, we're good. We're good. Trend line. I do want to show you this trend line while I'm here on my object tree. I'm going to analyze this volume range, but I want you guys to be aware of this bump and run trend line that we have coming up that I have saved for. And this is our high time frame trend line. And look at this with everything off. Take a look at this right quick, guys. All right, so this needs to be pinned. Hey, oh, by the way, longing at supports and shorting at resistances. If you just do that every time, this is not even a joke. You will win 65% to 70% of the time. I'm not even joking. I've back tested it. It's retarded. Everyone else trades differently than that. But here is our bump and run on high time frame level. If you don't know what a bump and run pattern is, just look it up. But yeah, I've been eagerly awaiting this with an alert set for quite a while, and just show you, so where we are right currently. If we were just to go sideways, it would take 145 days from now, and so that would be right here in March, almost May. I'm sorry. Yeah, 1st of May. But you never know. This is a really, really, really important trend line that a lot of people overlook and whatnot. And at the end of the day, it's on log mode, okay? Because we already did hit the high time frame trend line on linear mode, which is right now. Because I thought at one point, if you follow me here, I thought that this was the one, and we had already hit it. Oh, excuse me. This is it right here. We went from here to here. As you can see, we hit it right here, And so I was really bullish. I mean, at first I was like, dang. And then I realized no one was paying attention to it because it's it's on the log mode. So yeah. So a little TMI, but coming up soon. Who knows what happens if, let's say, we get up to 20,000 again. You know, instead of 175 days or whatever it is, we're, what the fuck is? Oh, this must be my Pomodoro. All right, guys. Thank you for hanging with me for the 25 minutes. Apparently, I have a 5-minute break to take. So we'll get more analysis done in a little bit. And yeah, I'm gonna stop this video. I'm gonna stop this recording for now, at least.